How to monitor your spending on in-app purchases on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can monitor your spendings on in-app purchases on Android. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press a bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, to monitor your spending on purchases on Android device. First, locate your Google Play Store, then open it up. After you open up your Google Play Store, make sure you're logged in, then tap on the top right corner on your profile icon. After you tap on it, you will need to head over to your payments and subscriptions. So locate it and then open it up. After you open up your payments and subscriptions, there you'll find multiple options. You will need to head over to budget and history. After there, you should be able to see all of your purchases and you can also monitor each and every purchases from this budget and history section. What you can do other than that is also set budget. So tap on set budget, then enter your desired budget. So you can choose your monthly budget. So let's say the monthly budget is $50. You can tap and save. And after you tap on save, you can then edit the budget from here if you want. So you can choose different options from here. And after you do that, you will get notified or you will receive a notification when you approach this amount or even if you exceed this amount. So yeah, that's how you can monitor your spending on in-app purchases on your Android. Thanks for watching. That is it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.